Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amara, and just today I want to show how easy I ship my blankets or how I make it easy to ship my blankets. So I use these vacuum seal bags. You can get them from those stores or from Amazon. I This is the jumbo size that I use. I was able to use it to pack two blankets. This is a large blanket and this is a medium sized blanket. I was able to fit both of them in it, then vacuumed it. As I was vacuuming, I was able to fold it so it folds like this instead of being long. I was able to fold it over when I was vacuuming the air out of it. It's very easy to use and it has been very reliable. One thing my clients or my customers compliment about is the packaging. Aside the blankets being really nice, they always compliment the packaging is always top notch. They haven't had any issues where the blanket was delivered, it was open, it was scattered, it was no. It always comes intact and they take the pleasure of unboxing it. So it's really good. Then after I'm done putting it like this, once it's ready, vacuumed, I have this bag. This is a polymer bag. I got it from Amazon. I'm going to be putting the link on the description box below. So this bag, I just slide it over, then tape it. It's very strong, very durable. Also, compliments and compliments. So I just slide it over like that, then take this part. This one. So this way, not only is the blanket less bulky to ship, it's also cost efficient. I've noticed that it's also cost efficient for me to ship it, packaging it like this. Then, except if it's like my neighbors or somewhere I can drive a distance, then I can just have it in a box or in a bag, knowing that I'm not shipping it across states or something. But whenever I have to ship it across state or across a city that is not close to me, I always vacuum it like this and then ship. Again, I'll be putting the links to the vacuum bags that I use and also the polymer. I'll be putting the links in the description box below. Be sure to check it out. And thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.